like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. More to come. Stay tuned. Peace. Alrighty, so what you have here, what you just witnessed, pretty much here, I did a cleanup makeover, if you want to say, of my computer slash room study. After being with papers and cluttered everywhere, it's like I can work better that way as well, but it's time to change to do something different and try some different approach and be nice and neat with it here. So as you can see, the room has been done over, and hey, I like it. Hope you like it too. I'm proud of myself to clean up, get all the other stuff out the flow, and just everywhere and reorganize a little something here. And I used to have the computer desk, you remember, over there. Now it's right here in the center. My massage chair used to be over here, so I'm just gonna try something different here. And I just want to just try something different, as you can see. So hey, make a couple more videos in here now. Hey, who needs regular light when you got this beautiful when you have this lovely Dyson light that does everything. Hey, look at this. Looks amazing here. If you know, you know. But yeah, hey, like I said, I just wanted to make this quick video here just to show transfer from junky, unorganized to organized, and they're going to keep it that way and make some stuff happen in here and get things done. And this how it looks in the daylight with the sun open, with the blinds open and the sun shining through. The beautiful sun shining through. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy EV Smoke, ATX. More to come. Stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.